Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is too appetizing and goes well with neither rice or porridge. Let's stir-fry shredded radish with dried chilies. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: radish, button mushrooms, dried chilies, small chilies, peppercorns. Peppercorns wash and set aside. Cut dried chilies and small chilies into small pieces. Peel and shredded radish. Remove button mushroom from can and cut half. Stir-fry condiments until fragrant and release flavor. Add button mushrooms and stir-fry. Add shredded radish. Add a teaspoon black soy sauce to add color. Add 2 tablespoons water and simmer to soften radish. Optional to add a tablespoon mole paste and salt to taste. White radish once radishes soften and absorbed flavor. Time to enjoy this appetizing dish. Spicy shredded white radish is a Sichuan-style cold dish with white radish as the main ingredient. It has rich flavors and the following characteristics. The numbing taste of Sichuan peppercorns and the spiciness of chili peppers are the core flavors, bringing a stimulating taste. White radish itself is sweet, and it is paired with garlic, ginger, coriander, and other seasonings to enhance the freshness. The shredded white radish has a crisp taste and adds a refreshing feeling. White radish is a common root vegetable. It not only tastes sweet and crisp, but also is rich in various nutrients and has high edible and medicinal value. The following is an interesting introduction to the nutrition of white radish. Low in calories and high in fiber, white radish has very low calories, with only about 16 kcal in 100 grams, making it an ideal choice for people who want to lose weight. Rich in dietary fiber, it helps promote intestinal peristalsis, improve digestion, and prevent constipation. Vitamin C expert. White radish is rich in vitamin C, which can enhance immunity, antioxidation, and help keep the skin healthy. Interestingly, the vitamin C in white radish is mainly concentrated in the skin, so you can try to keep the skin when eating. Natural digestive helper. White radish contains a special enzyme amylase that can help break down starch in food and promote digestion. It also contains mustard oil, which can stimulate gastric juice secretion and increase appetite. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.